Alright, now on the right hand side, I've got the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is running on One UI 6.0 beta based on Android 14. And on the left hand side, I've got the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is running on One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. In this video, let's compare the animations between these two iterations of One UI and let's see whether there is any improvement on the One UI 6.0. You be the judge and let me know if you find any changes between these two animations, and let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below. Now, just so that you know, both the phones are set to adaptive refresh rate, which is 120 Hz refresh rate on both these devices. Now let's go ahead. Alright, now the animation seems to be almost the same between these two iterations of One UI. I can see the changes in the settings menu particularly. You can see whenever we go back from a particular option, you can see the smooth transition on One UI 6.0 and on the One UI 5.1, it quickly snaps back to the previous menu. That's one major change I can see in the animation section, but rest of the areas, it looks more or less the same, but you let me know what do you think about it. Remember, the right side one is the Galaxy S23 Ultra on One UI 6.0 and the left one is the Galaxy S22 Ultra running on One UI 5.1. Drop a comment and let me know, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel to become a part of Hapex community to know your phone better, and give this video a like if you find it useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.